In a world that's getting faster by the day, fast food just isn't fast enough. Today's customers demand the best flavors in the shortest time possible. That's where Senoven comes to your rescue. If you own a fast food restaurant or chain, you'll be thrilled to find out how our bench-style conveyor toasters can speed up your operation. But hey, speed is just the beginning. Senoven conveyor toasters can be programmed for heating up or toasting different types of breads or burritos, letting you control recipes across your entire operation and eliminating dependency on key expertise. Compatible with countertop use, our bench-style toasters lower your cost of ownership thanks to their low energy consumption and high availability and affordability of spare parts. Want to toast bread products fast and homogeneously? Discover Senoven, a testimony to Şengün Machinery's 40 years of experience. Grow your business with this exciting alliance between your flavors and our technology. Senoven, your expressway to flavor.